tutorial shows you how to use the Ready Regions ECCE Supply and Demand Dashboard to understand how the number of publicly funded ECCE slots for infants, toddlers, and 2-year-olds has changed over time in Virginia. First, you'll want to navigate to the publicly funded slots page. Notice that this, like all pages on the dashboard, defaults to load for the entire state unless you have already changed some of the filters on another data page. The dashboard shows at the top in this subhead the percent of income eligible children under 5 who could be served in publicly funded ECCE in the most recent fiscal year. Notice over here that income eligible children are children in families with incomes less than or equal to 85% of state median income. The total number of slots in any given fiscal year are shown in the larger font at the top of each bar chart, and then the bar chart shows the distribution of slots across the state's 4 largest publicly funded ECCE programs. That's the Child Care Subsidy Program, Virginia Preschool Initiative, Early Head Start and Head Start, and Mixed Delivery. To look just at the number of slots for infant, toddlers, and 2-year-olds, uncheck the preschool box under the age category on the right-hand side of the page. You'll notice that the Virginia Preschool Initiative disappeared from the chart because that program only serves preschoolers who are ages 3 and 4. When you look at this chart, you can see that statewide, the number of infants, toddlers, and 2-year-olds who were served in publicly funded ECCE services increased significantly from fiscal year 23 through fiscal year 24, and then decreased slightly from fiscal year 24 to fiscal year 25. Looking at the specific programs from year to year, you can see that much of that decrease was driven by a decrease in the number of infant, toddlers, and 2-year-olds being served in Early Head Start. Again, this is for the state of Virginia as a whole. If you want to look at specific Ready Regions or specific localities, you can use those filters at the top to change the data that's shown.